first thing we're going to do today is say the Pledge of Allegiance together. So please stand with me, face your flag in your classroom, and place your right hand over your heart.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Today's menu includes chicken patty, breaded beef fingers, pizza bar, sub bar, salad bar, mashed potatoes, green beans, seasoned fries, fruits and desserts, and a hot roll. Parent-teacher conferences are this week. Tuesday are scheduled appointments. Thursday are open house format. Students, this is a good reminder to go through Skyward with a fine-tooth comb and make sure your grades look like they're supposed to. If not, have some good conversations with your teachers. Remember, always be respectful and tactful as you approach sensitive topics.
On November 7th at 9:30 a.m., there will be a Veterans Day Assembly in the main gymnasium with keynote speaker Mr. Ron Linenfelser.
Seniors, this is a reminder that the FAFSA is currently open, and this week, on the 6th, we are going to have a completion night in the library from 4 to 7. If you need help, now would be a great opportunity to get that help.
All right, well, I have approximately $250 worth of gift cards ranging from $25 to $5 that I'm going to issue out to students. You're going to have to look out for your announcements on Wednesday, figure out how to do it, get some more guidance with that. But you guys can make something good happen from something that was bad for me.
Do you need a serious mood boost before this long weekend? Gratitude Group with Mrs. Whitman is back on Wednesday, November 5th, immediately after school in Beyond the Bells. This isn't just another meeting. It's your weekly dose of stress relief and positive energy. We'll spend a short time together, and during that time, we will show gratitude, lift your spirits by focusing on good things, relieve stress, unwind from the school day in a supportive space, build community, help make our school the most positive place that it can be. Hope to see you there. Upcoming Panther Time meetings. The next few slides are devoted to Panther Time meetings. This is a friendly reminder, though, that the library is always closed during Panther Time. Teachers, please do not send students to the library during Panther Time. Thank you. Band and choir members will meet in the band room for Panther Time. For those 8th graders interested in playing volleyball, you will meet in C223 during Panther Time. Gay Straight Alliance will have a meeting in C110 during Panther Time. Panthers promoting positive decisions will meet in the auditorium for Panther Time. In the Media Center, Beyond the Bells tutoring program offers homework, quiz, and test assistance before school, Monday through Friday between 7:15 and 8:05 a.m., and after school, Monday through Thursday between 3:10 and 4:45 p.m. Snacks are available too. For more information, contact either Mrs. Lauren Callal or Mrs. Melanie Fessler.
The writing lab hours are 6th hour and 8th hour. The current focus is on college applications and the scholarship letters.
Get ready to swing into action. Looking for a new challenge? Want to represent JCHS while having a blast with an awesome team? Then golf is your answer. Ready to tee off and join the JCHS golf team? It's super simple. Scan the QR code right now and join our Remind group to get all the details. Don't miss your shot at being a part of the action.
Blue Crew signups are still happening. Scan the QR code, fill out the survey, and pay Mrs. East in the main office. Remember, all Blue Crew members must have a new ID.
If you want to sign up for FCA, join the Remind code and the classroom code.
Don't forget to sign up for Niceness is Priceless. Simply add yourself to the Remind app and the Google Classroom. To join GSA, add yourself to the classroom code OJT64X3V. Have a great day, Panthers. Here's a quote from Carmelo Anthony for you to consider. Every morning you have two choices: continue to sleep with your dreams or wake up and chase them.